Welcome to Only on Two Wheels. In case you didn't know, my name's Anubis and welcome to the show. So your voltage rectifier regulator is located right here under the bike. So it's real easy to get to. What you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the one that's there. You're going to take off the seat on your bike. Once that, the wires will be exposed. Unplug it from the top. Bring the wires down and take off the old one. Then you're going to place the new one on there, screw it in, bring the wires up through the bike, going up where the seat once was, and it's pretty much plug and play. So you're going to plug in each one, make sure you match it up properly. It's pretty much impossible not to. Once everything is plugged in, what this is going to do is every time you turn your bike on, it's going to charge your bike. So it's going to help you recycle your battery power, and you won't kill your battery so fast, which is awesome. Once everything is plugged in properly, you want to make sure you keep the wires pushed to the side. My bike have a cover for it. It's needs to be cleaned, I know. You're going to cover up the wires and make sure you keep the middle part clear. That's so your bike can breathe. As long as your bike can breathe, it'll run good. So push all the wires to the side, make sure everything is neat. You're going to place the seat back on there. If you're fortunate to have a tester on it, around or handy, what you're going to do is once you put your battery in, plug in your tester, and the tester should show you that once you turn your bike on, that is currently being charged. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe.